Describe the muster station. A muster station is a designated emergency gathering point on ships, building, or offshore facilities. It is clearly marked, equipped with safety gear, and managed by trained personnel for evacuation procedures. Regular drills ensure readiness in emergencies. Explain the procedures in the different types of emergency. Number 1, flood alarm. Crew gathers and muster station. Firefighting teams respond and fire protection team system are activated if needed. Number 2, general alarm. Signal an emergency. All crew and passengers report to muster station in the wait instruction. Number 3, abandon ship alarm. Everyone dons life jacket, proceed to lifeboat and evacuates only the captain's command. Number 4, man overboard signal. Immediate rescue action are taken, including throwing lifebuoy, marking the location and deploying rescue boat. Number 5, CO2 alarm. Immediate evacuation from the affected areas of as CO2 displays oxygen. Fire suppression is handled remotely. Number 6, engineer's call. Engineers report to the engine room to assist the address mechanical issues. Number 7, cargo hold flooding. Bilge pump are activated, floating is controlled, and emergency action is taken if necessary. Number 8, pollution prevention. Immediate containment of oil spill or hazardous discharge with authorized notified as required. Number 9, engine room flooding. Engineers respond to stop water injuries. Bilge pump are used, and emergency measures are prepared if needed. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills for muster station ensure familiarity with procedures, reduce panic, improve response time, ensure accountability, and maintains regulatory compliance, making emergency evacuations more effective and safe.